Some days I just feel like I've been cursed at birth by an evil witch, and the curse is to be forever curious, just constantly. And because of that, I have approximately 1,655 hobbies going on at any given time. Most days I'm just desperately trying not to prove the point that curiosity killed the cat. But the older I get, the more I realize that curiosity indeed killed the pussycat financially. By the time I pay for the masterclass watercolor course and the soap making supplies and the needle felting course and Skillshare subscription, I realized that I might have paid my mortgage for this month for the amount of money I spend just out of curiosity. And I thought to myself, are there other curious cats out there? Are there other chronic creators out there that are in the same shoes as me, that realize that, you know, if I follow my curious cat instincts, I will be broke. I will be broke as broke go. Come on, Winnie wants to join in the video. Winnie, say hi. Are you getting broke also? No, you're just getting mommy broke. Thank you, baby. I would like to share with you my sewing gang, my fellow curious cats, my fellow chronic creators, everything I know about sewing and everything I wish I knew about sewing when I first started, completely for free on this channel. We will cover anything from, you know, how to actually do the thing, how to start the thing, the sewing thing, without going mental. Or for clothing on your house because you just bought so much fabric because everything is so pretty and you want to make so many things. Anyway, we will also cover advanced sewing techniques that will help you get better at sewing and will help you sew faster, because in my book, that's the only thing that matters, making nice things and making them as fast as possible so we can make more things. And by the time we are done with this sewing series, you should be able to make literally anything and everything you've ever dreamed of sewing, making, creating. But mainly sewing. So if that sounds like something you need in your life, subscribe to this channel and become an official member of my sewing gang. We sew things and sometimes we even have fun doing so. So yeah, subscribe. One thing you should know about this channel is that it is very much a collaborative effort between my sewing gang and me. There are always so many interesting and helpful insights in the comments. I know I've learned multiple things about sewing and just life in general from my comment section, so do check it out while you're at it. Save this playlist to your library because with time it's going to become your own sewing Bible where you will have... Oh, do you want to go down, Winnie? Good boy. I will greatly appreciate your support in any way, shape or form, whether that's a subscribe or a comment or a like, because ultimately the goal of this channel, my ultimate goal, is to be able to make more of these videos for you guys completely for free so that we both can, you know, you and me, we both can just go on and sew happily ever after. If you would like to see some behind the scenes and more personal insights into what's happening in my sewing studio and just in my life in general, do subscribe to my Patreon page. If all you want to do is to learn how to sew, don't worry. Everything you need, all the information about sewing will be available on YouTube right here for free. So you absolutely don't need to subscribe to my Patreon if you want to learn. However, if you're a ride or die member of the sewing gang, I will appreciate your support. The sole purpose of the Patreon page is to support this channel for paying for all the boring stuff, you know, like equipment, like microphone. My microphone still sucks. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sorry. I promise I'm working on it. Patreon is just for the ride or die members of the sewing gang who can and wish to support this channel financially. But don't worry, if you want to learn to sew, everything you will need will be right here on YouTube. And as always, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!